remove matcha filter. So here, guys, I created a video with matcha filter. Here's how it looks like. So this is the idea. But if you just have the matcha filter for someone and you want to remove it, so yeah, honestly, I don't know how to do it. Probably like I was looking for these effects on TikTok and CapCut. So you can create matcha filter, but you can't remove it easily. If you just wanted to create this matcha filter viral video, basically what you need to do, here it is. You need to find this exact, so you see iLab matcha from this account, RTG embedded or matcha trend. Just look on CapCut, not on TikTok. It's easier through CapCut. And then you will find this effect and then just use this template. And this way you will have the full matcha video, matcha filter video, where you have first matcha filter and then it's just removed from your video. So